Hey there! Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're decoding the absolutely mind-bending longevity of Arctic marine life. Get this, the Greenland shark lives for a whopping 400 years. That sets a crazy biological standard. Then there's the 80-ton bowhead whale. It lives over 2 centuries and is somehow practically immune to cancer. Honestly, massive animals should accumulate way more cancer-causing genetic mutations over time. These are called oncogenic hits. But University of Rochester scientists found something wild. Bowhead whale cells just don't accumulate those dangerous mutations. So what's their secret weapon against aging? It's a unique, cold-activated protein called CIRBP. Hanging out in freezing Arctic waters, these whales actually pump out 100 times more CIRP than us. Their cellular strategy is brilliant. Repair, don't replace. This protein steps in and fixes DNA breaks flawlessly. And it totally works. Boosting CIRB dramatically improves DNA repair across completely different species. So here's the ultimate question. Can we actually harness this biological trick to slow down human aging? Researchers are looking into whether simple cold showers can boost our CIRB, alongside developing new pharmacological treatments. Nature proves the mechanism is already inside us. But tell me, are you ready to brave the cold?